I'm just gonna say, nothing surprises me anymore when it comes to e-paper, and this just proves that the industry is absolutely limitless. This is the Radwear boox. This is an EINK watch, but it's also a Geiger counter. A Geiger counter is an electronic instrument that can detect ionizing radiation, which is the type of radiation that consists of subatomic particles, electromagnetic waves that can travel almost the speed of light, that have the ability to detach electrons from molecules. It's absolutely insane. I never thought we would be talking about it here at Goody Reader, but it comes in the form of an EINK watch. Let's crack it open. We have seen just about everything come through the office here at Goody Reader. Never had a Geiger counter. I guess it would be useful to have one of these kicking around if you're in places like downtown city cores that emit a lot of radiation. Not like you can go anywhere unless that's a concern, and this tells you that there is a lot of radiation and your solution is to go somewhere else. Let's open this up and see. Get out of there. Open here by pulling the gap. Maybe you should read, Peter. There we go. Alright, let's put that off to the side for now, see what is in the rest of the box. Is this inherently charged with radiation? No, this is the detector of such. Although it could have radiation emitting properties, most things do. Electronic devices, old PlayStation lenses, stuff like that. Is there anything in here? There's nothing in here. There's nothing in here. Okay, well that's one. Are these just spacers? No, this is the charging cable. Should be the charging cable. Let's open one of these at least and see what's inside. Boom. So this is the cable. Are we using a proprietary cable or is this a USB-C of sorts? Let us open it up. We'll just kind of rip it open because that's going to take too long. It is proprietary. You have two magnetic snaps with a 4-pin copper connector that is utilized to charging. Very similar to the kind of things we see with Fossil and Scoggin and all that kind of stuff. So let's crack this open as well and see. We have Radwear. Thank you very much to Radwear for sending us this sample. These are all in Japanese, but don't worry. It will be in whatever language of the country you live in. And if it's not, you can just use AR, Google Lens to translate it. What do we have here? Look at this. This is crazy. Out of the gates, it is very, very light, and it doesn't seem like it's built with a lot of mechanisms inside. When we hold things like a Scoggin or a Fossil or a Sony Fez watch, they feel very well weighted and tight and very heavy, and this one doesn't feel like any of that actually. But what we're going to do is just do a first time boot up, and then we'll get into a full review in a future video. So it looks like here at the Goody Reader office we are subject to 0.25 sieverts per hour. I'm not sure if that's milli or microsieverts. We will get into all of that in the full review, as well as show you how this thing works. This is just super interesting, guys. I mean, it just never ends with the e-paper industry, but we do have to say thank you very much to Radwear for sending us this sample of the Radwear boox e-paper e-ink Geiger counter watch. And yes, it is technically a watch. There is a clock in the top left corner. Stay tuned for the full review.